Moving on to this guy from Takcom Knives. I believe this one is a prototype. I don't believe this one has a name yet. So future me, slap that name there if we have it. And it's so new. I just unboxed this one literally like yesterday. And it's such a cool knife. I mean, I've seen a lot of stuff from Takcom before, but this one definitely rises above the rest, at least from the things that I've seen. Because, I mean, look at it. Right? First of all, you have this reflective finish on this blade, which looks so good. Look at that, Miguel face reveal 2025. Hey guys, what's up? There you go. You can almost see me right there. And it's a sheepsfoot blade on this one with a flat grind, almost mirror polish, but not quite. The fuller works really good for deployment, as you'll see me, flick it here in just a moment. Good plunge grind situation. It is a frame lock, and then we have the handles on this one, right? It kind of has this orange peel finish to the handle, except it is not just the looks. You can actually feel the different topographic, I guess, feel to it, right? The unevenness, everything that you see, you can actually feel, right? How they pull this off on titanium, I don't even know, but it's definitely a very interesting finish there for sure. It may have a different name, but what comes to mind for me is orange peel finish that you can actually feel, right? The difference of the ups and downs, the bumps and all that stuff. That's definitely unique and also provides grip. So it is a frame lock knife, right? On ball bearings, very, a little bit of a shake shutter there. The front flipper works so good. This is one of those front flippers, again, just like the Compadre. You don't really have to stress all that much about getting this guy deployed. Maybe the reach around, I gotta make enough room to make sure it doesn't hit my finger on the way up, but look at that. Side of the index finger, no brainer. I mean, really good front flipper. And then on top of that, you got the fuller here. So reverse flick all day. That works so nice. Thumb deployment of the fuller, also so good. We have milling on the inside for weight reduction, titanium pocket clip, and crown gem back spacer with the lanyard solution back here for my lanyard people. Stress relief cutout on the outside. Blade is smack in the middle. And just overall, I mean, very good looking geometry with some overall really good looking lines. Love the blade finish. Love the titanium scales. Got a nice old gold pivot color there for a little bit of pop of accent in a different color finish, if you would. But all in all, this thing is really good. Again, a prototype for now, but hopefully the production version comes out here very soon. I'll have it linked down below regardless. So if and when this thing comes out, you guys can pick it up. Hope you guys really enjoyed this one. If you made it to the end, you're the real MVP. Hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one, either this one or this one. Peace.